Good morning. It's Thursday, June 13th, 2024. This is your Georgia Weather Net morning update. We do have a lot of rain off the coastline out in the Atlantic Ocean, and that's spinning around a fairly strong low pressure center out there, which could kick a few of those thunderstorms back in toward the Georgia coastline as we move through the day today, which we'll talk about. But that's going to affect our sky conditions as far as cloud cover is concerned, all the way up into Augusta, all the way down to Brunswick. The rest of the state looking at mostly sunny skies as we move through the day. And then we're going to push that out of here, and high pressure is going to be our main factor, and that means hot temperatures. Yeah, we'll be heating up big time as we head in toward the weekend. Current temperatures as we get started this morning at 9:18. We have some low 70s in North Georgia, upper 70s in Northwest Georgia, up around Rome is at 77, Macon is at 77, and some low 80s showing up from Albany over to Brunswick, already into the low 80s this morning, and very humid out there. Let's take a look at our dew point. We have those low 70s in South Georgia, so that is warm, muggy air. We're going to be very uncomfortable, and still uncomfortable too in North Georgia with those 60-degree dew point readings. Let's take a look at the weather model through the morning hours. We'll see those showers off in the Atlantic Ocean, and watch this start to spin back around again. So looking at some thunderstorms in the early afternoon around Savannah, and then possibly moving a little bit more inland as we head into the late afternoon hours. The rest of the state going to be looking at a mix of sun and clouds today, so that warms us up into the 90s without a problem. And then, again, just a few scattered showers remaining, mainly in South Georgia. The model indicating some showers could pop up in the western part of the state, west metro Atlanta, out to Coweta County and down toward Columbus. But a lot of those are going to be hard to find, but a few of us could see it. Just be on the lookout for it. Keep in mind, when we get into this kind of weather, so hot, so humid, the atmosphere would love to rain. It's just hard to say exactly where that's going to happen. So we do our best with our summertime forecasting. And then as we move through the evening hours tonight, notice that the rain just sort of disappears. All that out in the Atlantic Ocean is gone. So that low pressure center is out of here. That's going to make way for a big high pressure dome that's going to settle in. And let me see, we'll get toward about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we see that thin sort of squiggly, it's not a circle, but it's circular in nature right over the middle of Georgia. That's that high-pressure dome. We call it the heat dome, and that's going to allow skies to be mainly sunny at sinking air, so that prevents a lot of rain, and we're going to be very hot. So that's why temperatures are going to be climbing tomorrow, and that dome doesn't move a whole lot as we head into Saturday. As a matter of fact, it kind of stays locked in, so temperatures will be even hotter as we head into Saturday. Our best chance of rain will be late tomorrow night. And then Saturday, it doesn't look like a big chance of rain. Again, maybe in the afternoon and evening hours, we could see a couple of pop-ups. But then we go more toward the summertime pattern as we head into Sunday. So that high-pressure dome weakens a little bit, moves out. And so we're going to see that chance of rain increase as we head into Sunday and into the early part of next week. But hot and humid today. It gets even worse tomorrow. And then Saturday, we really turn the heat on with triple-digit temperatures very easily across the state of Georgia. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.